Welcome back. Anti-Mopa Rally at Benaulim has called for withdrawal of support of the government. The call was given by Father Eremito Ribello, demanding that proposed Mopa airport should be scrapped. Members of Goans for W only have also threatened of severe agitation. Members allege that Mopa airport is a SEZ project.
तुम्ही स्वरेच आमच्या बरोबर असा त्याला आमच्या बरोबर या हो आमचं सरकार चीफ मिनिस्टर यूटर्न मागता डबल स्पीक करता एक उलयता आणि दुसरे सांगता जाल्यार ताचे बरोबर वयतात क्लियरली आय कॉल अपॉन आवर एमएलएस तुमच्या लोकां बरोबर राहून इफ वर्स कम टू वर्स आय कॉल अपॉन द एमएलएस विथड्रॉ सपोर्ट टू फॉरेन गव्हर्नमेंट ताका सपोर्ट करून फायदो ना कित्याक हो मनीस सारको फोटींग ह्या मनशाक आमी त्या जाग्यार पावयलो आमच्या लोकांक लागून तो थंय पावला आनी आयज आमचे माजोर आमकांच मेळ म्हणटा
समज हांगच्यान एअरपोर्ट बंद जालो दाबोळेचो एअरपोर्ट बंद जाल्यार हांगा जे लोकांचो काम आसा लोकां जे धंदे आसात ते सगळे बंद पडटले गोंयकार काबार जातले बरोबर थंय सांगले ते आता तुम्ही सांगात तुमकां मोपा जाय मोठ्यान सांगात तुम्ही जाणा आसतले की तो एअरपोर्ट म्हणून बोळ मारता एअरपोर्ट दितो मोपा जी जमीन एक्वायर केल्या त्या जमनीचो व्हडलो वाटो एसीझेड आणि रियल इस्टेट कमर्शियल पर्पजा खातीर ताणे रिझर्व करून दवरिल्लो आहा.
Medical superintendent is likely to file its report on Monday in Russian molestation case. A Russian tourist alleged that a doctor of GMC had molested her. On the direction of Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, medical superintendent of GMC is conducting an internal inquiry. According to sources, other lady doctors who were present during medical examination of the victim girl have denied any molestation in their statements made before medical superintendent. Meanwhile, advocate for Russian consulate on Saturday deposed before North Goa collector in this matter.
Medical superintendent of GMC is in process to finalize the report in connection with alleged molestation of a Russian girl by a GMC doctor. On the direction of Health Ministry, MS of GMC is conducting preliminary inquiry and the report is likely to be submitted by Monday. According to sources, two lady doctors along with accused male doctor were present at the time of medical examination of a Russian girl. A lady constable and a Russian translator were also present there. According to sources, both the lady doctors have denied any molestation by the accused male doctor. As per sources, lady doctors have stated that the medical examination was conducted in a hall within makeshift examination room and in front of so many persons. Then how anybody can molest a victim? On the direction of state government, North Goa collector is also holding an inquiry in this regard. On Saturday, witnesses from the complainant's side, advocate for Russian consulate Vikram Verma and the Russian translator have recorded their statements. The victim lady has left India without lodging any formal complaint of molestation by the doctor. But on her behalf, Russian consulate is following up this matter. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Sunburn Music Festival is all set to land in Goa with the largest ever lineup of DJs ever witnessed on Goan land. The Electronic and Dance Music Festival is scheduled in December. This year, Sunburn would be having 8 different stages with different music bonanza to its music lovers. This is the 8th edition of Sunburn Goa Festival.
Sunburn is all set to begin the season of music with a bang. Electronic Dance and Music Festival is gearing up for the mega music festival scheduled in December. This year, Sunburn is expected to feature around 150 artists and DJs with different bands. Joint Managing Director of Percept, Shailendra Singh said 2014 will embark new beginnings as the stage in Goa is set for the biggest lineup of over 150 artists. Being the 8th edition of Sunburn Festival in Goa, it is also expected to have around 8 stages on ground. Varied music will be performed during this festival. The Electronic Dance and Music Festival will be held at Wagator beach side. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.